Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
know.
yeah. So
Yes.
many person they don't know even this thing. So that's why I need a good person. So I just was sharing my screen. So I think now everything is okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes, it is coming. Just one second.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, it is showing. Right.
Okay, no problem. It is coming as that, no problem. Persons are scared why it is coming 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is coming.
Mhm.
So can you see my desktop elephants?
Yes, yes, I can see.
Yeah, just wait a second. So what happened that I'm working. I have to go somewhere
Okay.
for some purpose, but I think that after doing your job only I can go. That's why I'm just waiting. See, I'm now doing this job. Okay, can you see me on the screen?
Yes, yes, I can see it.
So the first way is that we have to browse. Suppose this one is browse. Uh,
Hmm.
did I send you some image file? I think GIF file.
Yes, image zip you have sent
Have you
yesterday.
extracted? Then there is 150 images coming.
150 images were there,
Yeah.
right?
So I like that image is coming. You know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So that image you can copy and rename as images and just paste it there in software. Just I also made software inside. Everything is there. So I like that. So I like that I browse and now I have taken this image 752.
Yes.
Your one is agent 7, your number is different. Okay, this is agent 6.
Yes. My number is starting from 4507.
Okay, no problem. Just everything is the same. So now I am typing record number 9, that is Darren Halkin. So most problem is that actually see all have you seen this orange O, capital O,
Yes.
and see the zero zero, this zero.
Yes,
So
yes. Zero and
actually,
O are kind of
yeah,
confusing a
actually
lot
what
of
happened
time.
here, see this one. Sometimes persons think that it is capital O, like H86, but it is zero. So that's why they can mistake. They can create some error. This is also zero, not O. So that like that they will introduce in between zero and O, and they will count as error. And this is capital I, not one, capital one.
Yes, yes. Capital I. Yeah.
So just now I'm just filling one thing, then you will see, and I will tell you one other thing. So Darian, that's why I don't want to start just so you have to practice
Hmm.
daily, at least in 1 hour 15, at least 16 or 17 or 20, and in one
Right.
day in 8 hours or 9 hours, whatever time you have, night day in 24 hours, at least 134, 135. Then if you have so
Right.
much confidence, then only we can start for the live work. That's why just uh,
After you have shared the password yesterday night, I tried working on it. Yesterday night I have tried for 2 hours and
mm,
today for 3 hours. So in
yeah.
5 or 5.5 hours, I have entered nearly 51 entries.
Sorry, sorry, once again. How many
So
hours
in
you done?
uh, yesterday night and today combiningly, I have spent 5 or 5.5 hours
Mm-hmm.
approximately,
Mm-hmm.
and I have entered nearly 51 entries.
Yeah,
This is
but
kind of my
yeah,
current
yeah,
speed.
but total cost in words you're entering by manually. I think total
Yes,
cost.
I am that one is I am writing
Yeah,
manually,
that
right?
one I am giving you one quick solution. Then your speed will increase. I think 5 hours if you're doing 51, then next 5 hours means not 5 hours means say 8 hours or 9 hours you can complete 100. I think.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
100. I think you will.
100 to 110 I can complete.
Yeah, you can complete 130 entry because see now it will very much easy now I'm saying. See, because cost and total cost, company are telling that you can copy in the Excel sheet and paste. So same thing we can also derive formula for the total cost in words, that we can also copy and paste. If company can detect their software that it's copy and paste, then in that case cost and total cost also wrong. See, it is correct or not?
Yes, yes.
Suppose
We
if
are
you if you
copying it
checking if you
currently.
checking this one is wrong, this one is wrong, then
Yes, yes.
also this one, if this is wrong because I copied from Excel to here, so this is
Hmm.
also wrong. This is also wrong.
Right, right.
Yeah, so it means we have two software. So it means that you need to have two software that can detect this is separately, and this is separately. That I think nobody can do this one.
No,
Everybody
no,
can
no.
do only one software. So we
Right.
cannot convert this image to Word file, PDF file, and copy and paste here, or not converting from the website. that website
Mhm.
number into word converter. That is not legal, but I think by Excel coding we can do this one. So I will tell you just after writing this one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that one person is there in my team, that is Niyaz. He also BCA and he has got some idea, and he is
Yes, yes.
expert. I think my team has 2 or 3% very much expert, and one lady is Padmaja. She is writing 150, 161 day.
Wow.
Yeah,
Great. High speed.
yeah. I think within 12 days she will be ready and just enjoying the time. But
Okay.
actually, we cannot share this thing to other person. That's why we cannot share anyone to anyone. So in
Right, right.
that case, you have to complete all.
Right.
We cannot share anything.
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, it is difficult.
Initially, actually, this is my beginning, so kind of it is going to take some
Yeah,
time, and
actually, I'm also
afterwards,
yeah,
it can
I'm
be
also thinking
better.
that initially my way also very much difficult. I'm just talking so much slowly, but the person who did first time, this
Yes,
is
yes.
the person who done earlier. They have very
Mm-hmm.
much easy. So what have I done that this is from here to here it is same. It is for sometime 40, sometime 50. We have to
Right.
count. And Windows 10 is coming very much nice big images. When I was Windows 11 company's laptop, that is very much small it's coming. Now it is coming. You have Windows 10 or 11?
My 10,
Yeah,
Windows
10
10.
is coming very much big and looks is very much nice.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I'm
I
going
agree.
now. I have created two Excel sheet. One is this one, and this is for my one, my personal purpose. So what I had done that I just copy here, and
Yes.
I'm just pasting because
Yes, the first part. Yes,
this is
yes.
taking so much time, and then now I have to
Mm-hmm.
enter just only. So
Yes,
it
yes.
is 1 2 3 4 4180.
Mm-hmm.
4180754. I also I think I said is Luciana. I think so. I can just go Luciana. This is Luciana. I just also enter this one. But this thing we can do. Not all, but this thing
Mm-hmm.
we can do. So now
Most
this.
of the city or this product name, that goods category, these are repetitive, so we can help take it from Excel if we want.
No,
Yes,
everything taken from Excel is not good. I only
yes, yes.
there total
Yes,
total cost what is okay. Other if you're taking everything in Excel
no, no,
to.
that's just for this color and this category. These
Yeah,
things are
yeah. I think I'm
repetitive.
also thinking that colors also we have 10 or 20 colors that also we can type in Excel copy.
Yes, yes.
That we can discuss in last round. But when you ask to the company, they will strictly saying no, no, no.
No, no,
But
right.
but le- but logically it is right because
Yes,
if we copy here, if we copy here, then we can copy here also, then here
here
also.
also, right, right.
Logically it is correct from a, not from, in Excel sheet we can type all the colors name. City is very much difficult because city you cannot understand. Cities there's hundreds
No,
of
no.
cities, but a
Yes.
state only USA 50. That's why I just wrote 50.
Mm-hmm.
So and uh,
State, goods category, and goods color, these are kind of repetitive.
goods
These three.
category is also sometimes different, but not much different. I think
Sweaters,
sweaters,
and
coats, waistcoat,
those
maybe.
waistcoats, these
So
are kind of repetitive.
yeah, you
Kind
can
can be.
you can also make a Excel sheet. Not in
Yes.
that. Don't you cannot save anything to the formula chart. You have to create new Excel sheet and just
Mhm.
create that color name or goods category. Then
Right, right.
even if you save this one, then it is wrong. That formula chart will disturb. So you cannot do anything to here.
No, no.
Yeah.
It is in a different Excel. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, it's something like coding, and they have some log file. After that, you have to go for log file. 8884. This is 6 Sunfield LA. See, persons are not working and they're asking only money, money. When will you give money? If you increase this money, without
Okay.
working, so many things they're asking. Are you this one a fraud? What? I don't understand. First, we need to work. Then only we can see future. What's your capacity, capability?
Right, right.
Yeah, this is I think 708, 70836. So now cost is weight is 15.12
One, two. Yes.
and 8 8
8505. 8505.
8505. Here we need to add in percentage form. But there we should not add percentage. If you add percentage there means the changes, it will change the value.
Mm-hmm.
This is BA17 capital E P24 capital A. Now remarks means not applicable because everything is okay.
Right. N dot A dot. Yeah.
Sorry. Actually, suppose dealer name is not can write missing thing, yeah, hyphen, and remark means dealer name missing, that you can write. And suppose there is two missing means hyphen, and details forms are not found. That is there in Excel sheet here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
see here instructions. DC you can see instructions here. See
Mm,
missing things and name is missing and form details not found. When there are two or more thing missing and if everything is okay then NA.
okay.
Uh,
So we will write that field is missing. That name of that field followed by is
yeah,
missing.
but
Okay.
mostly there is more than two things. Never they have one thing. So most of the time it is the
Mm.
details forms are not found in calculator. So
Right.
this is
Mm.
something 1 minute I just forget it. This is Darren Helkin. So I just also taken the image in and paint. This is 15
Yeah.
point. That it is easy to see here.
Mm.
15.12. 15.12. This one. Yeah, I think you have to remember. 8505. 05. Then it is coming total cost. Then you have to write the rate. Sorry,
Tax.
rate is something 9.98. 9.98. So it is coming total cost. See, automatically it is coming. Have you seen this one? Down
Yes. Yes.
115,000. See this one. Yeah, can you see? One one
Yes. Yes.
five
I can see
one
it.
hundred fifty 115,761 dollars and 75 cents. This is
Yes. Yes.
magic. That if you know this one, then your half work is very much fast. So I think you can complete quick, very much quick. So that I will tell you.
Yes. This part can save a lot of
Yeah,
time.
this is we have done just one from basic thing. First I have to add the cost. 1 minute. And the cost, and this is the total cost. So it is 115,761. That is okay. Now I can save it. So now see if you go to the search box and see here you can just search all. So I have just created 9 records. So what you have to
Yes.
do in a daily after completion of the job, that just have first select one, then go to control A. Then everything is
Okay.
selected. Then don't here just go control C, because if you right click this will not work here. Control C, and the
Okay.
new Excel sheet I have created. So yeah, I am just going to the second sheet number 2, and then just I'm pasting here control V. So in that case, there's no need of what you say daily evening meeting. So suppose at the end of
Okay.
7:30 p.m. you can just copy control A, control C, control V, copy and paste all the things. So we can count here. So how many? So it is coming 9. So you created 9 records today. So it's today,
Okay.
how many you have done? So then we can take your person name and then record number, how many things we can done. Image number 752 16, 753 16. So today you have done total this much, total this image, total this much records. And like that we can count, and then you can go for the next day. Then no need of meeting, something like that. Okay. And
Okay.
also
Okay.
this is also
Okay.
good one, because here means so in that case we should not save this one. Whatever I have done coding, that we should not save here, because it will
Okay.
disturb this one. So
Okay.
I will do just cut, simple cut, don't save.
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, what minute I will go to the 1 minute. I will go to the Excel sheet again. So in Excel sheet I have gone, and there means uh, Nothing now means if you do, it is coming or not. It is not coming. It is not coming. So every time whenever you have to open the Excel sheet, you have to do the coding. That is very much easy. I will send you the coding sheet instructions. So suppose if you started work, so at least 5 hours, 6 hours, everybody will do. Either they can sleep, or when you shut down, or when you close it, then only it will go disturb. So whenever you
Yes.
open the laptop or Excel sheet or this work, just start this one. It will take only 2 minutes time, but it will save so much
Okay.
time. So go to the developer
Mm.
part, developer tab. If developer tab is
Yes.
not there, then you can go to the file and go to the options, and options.
Yes, I have added
Yeah,
it
it's
from
customized
yesterday
button.
when
There
I
is
did.
developer. You have to just click here, then it will come. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So I think developer, you have to go to the Visual Basic, and Visual Basic. I'm just recording this screen also, no problem. I will send the YouTube link. This one. So go to the insert, and here module. Module means, and then, and here this one. This I will send to you by email. I just copy, and then I just control V, and don't cut here. Click Alt plus Q, Alt plus Q, then it will automatically cut and save. Okay, and
Okay.
yeah. So now means I will do. Now means I will do. See, sorry, equal to. See here you have to type numbers to words in small bracket. So if you copy here, it will come. I see it is coming or not. 645.
Yes.
Like that. So whenever if you enter something different thing, suppose 8.96. See it is coming. It is changing. It is changing. 1 minute. I have to just 0.32. See here it is changing. Every time it is changing. Have you seen the changes?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
It is
So in
changed.
that case, I think you can see now it change. So but whenever you close this, every time that do this one, that you understand or not?
Yes, yes.
So
I
that
have to
that that
redo it
coding
every
that
time.
coding notepad I will send to your email ID, and
Okay.
other things are okay, I think. So in Excel sheet, so again I have to go to the work, and now my record number 10 is here. So I will just type this one. I am not the expert on this one because I am the employer owner. So the persons are very
Okay.
much expert. They can just type 1 hour, 15, 16, whatever. And my typing is pretty slow. I'm just typing 10 or 12 in 1 hour. So, uh, okay. So do you want to share your screen and you can show me, or you can do whatever you work?
Yes, yes. I am sharing my screen. I have few
Yeah, yeah,
questions.
yeah, sure. 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, is it
Yeah,
shared?
yeah, yeah. I can see your screen.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
you can select anything.
So,
Yeah, anything. Yeah. Okay.
first question is regarding that continuation part.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean,
No,
let
you
me
can go to
open
the
my.
search. First, you go to the search. No, don't open this one. First, go to the search. Search all.
Mm.
Search all.
This I have written
See,
so
search
far.
all. This is CD 4508. The record number 0567. You go to the down. Just how much you have done. Means
51 records I have done,
yeah.
but
You
it is not coming
Yeah,
after
yeah.
record 11
Yeah, yeah,
of
no
this
problem. I
one.
think when you browse the image, the last image, that's why we have to record in the Excel sheet everything, whatever you have done. Uh, after one image, we have to record. You have to copy and paste and paste to
Okay,
the Excel sheet. In that case, we can record that we have done this. This is our last entry. It is easy for us. Anybody, it is easy to us. Easy
okay.
to us. So suppose,
So after every image, I need to
yeah,
copy
yeah.
my
Suppose
task
every
log
image
11.
is, suppose one image completion is 17. Just copy and paste. Then next, suppose you just control here. You just click here, 04, here, here, here. Control CG 4509. No, not all. Yeah, here 4509 first
Here.
record number one.
Here.
Yeah, here 4509 record number one. You just copy, click here in the right hand
Which one
side,
is it?
in the right, in the left hand side, just a small click here. Here in the box, yeah,
Box.
here,
Okay. Wait.
yeah, same thing. Whatever the blue bar coming, you just click on the record number one, 4501 CG
This one.
4501 record number one. Just click here. Just go,
So
yeah, same thing. Yeah.
record number
Just click
one.
that,
Okay.
yeah.
Now.
Now you just shift and just drag to the shift and drag to the last. How much it is coming? Just go last.
It is not
Now it
showing.
just you go last.
I am
Just
trying.
copy and
But
just Control C and
Control
just
C.
Control V to the Excel sheet. We can see how much it's coming. Yeah, I go to the down. How much it is coming?
Yes, yes. Still
Yeah.
17.
So
Right.
now you can go to the 4510 and go to the record number. So that's why every each image we are just copying and paste so that we can track our record. Otherwise it will
Okay.
waste, it will not go overlap. Suppose if you click the 45008, and if you start working, and if you typing the same thing, it will show that already it is done. So it will not
Okay.
create, but it will just it will waste our time. Suppose now you can browse, you go to the work. Now you can go to the no need of this one. You can do browse browse and go to the 45008. Yeah, click. See everything, see all boxes are filled. It means that already you have
Right.
completed. See, that's
Right.
see,
Right.
it is showing like that. So now you can browse. Now you go to the 4509. So yeah, one minute. Have you seen this one? Just close it, cancel. You see, uh, you go to the 4508.
Mm.
1 minute. You just close the Excel sheet. Minimize this one. No need of Excel sheet. Once again 4508 something like that. Yeah.
4508.
No, I'm just sorry. See, this is 1.63. This is the something like what you say, rate, tax rate, and this is the pass
Yes.
score.
Tax
This is
rate.
a continuation of the last part. So or you can
Okay.
go to the 4507. You just browse 4507, 4507, 4507. Go to the last one, and this one. This is something like blue. Blue means it is color name.
Color.
Color.
Yes.
Color
Yes.
name.
In between line
No,
is
one
missing.
more. Goods color. Then it is coming to now matching goods
Tax.
color means after that it is dealer name. All things are missing. So,
Yes. Yes.
and okay, go to the 4508. 4508. Go to the first. So it is coming. So it is coming as a rate. So the company told that, instructions it also told that if there is a continuation, suppose it is the last part 4507 last entry is something like that, color name. So next one should be the dealer name. So if it is
Right.
not the continuation, means it should be the separate entry, not the same entry. So you have to go for
Okay.
this one, the separate record, not the same record. But if it is the continuation part, then you can go for the same record. Suppose it was the record number 16, the previous part. So same thing it will go. But I think it is not the continuation part. So we have to go for the what you say. Mm, it's a new record, not the continuation part. Okay, understand?
Only with these two fields.
Yeah, only for these two only, no problem. Because this is not the continuation of the previous one. So we should go for the new record. I think
So
in that case, if you done wrong, then you have to edit all the things. This thing happens to Tamida, that she's from Bangladesh. She did like that. So that's why she have to edit all the record. Now we can and go to the 4507. 4507. Yeah. So even if this one, see the first one. This is also the record number one. Only it will come only passcode. Others are dash 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 dash. Form details are not found. It is coming as like that. What you have done in record number? You go to the search. I think go to the search, but you cannot see because it
No,
is
this fast entry I haven't done.
record number one. Yeah,
No, what you said.
record number one. Just click here. But I think this is this facility. Right click here, edit. Right click here, edit, edit. Right click, edit.
This is trial
Yeah,
version.
trial
Which
but
will edit.
edit will not possible. No problem. Just go to the work. So if you ignore
I have started
no
from here.
if you ignore this one
Hmm.
and this one, what you have done, have you taken this one as a separate record or just merging from here to here, what you have done?
So this part I could not understand
So
so
this
well.
is the separate record. This is the report number one. Everything is coming dash dash dash. Only passcode is coming as this, and this is the form details are not found. It's coming like that. So this is not the something like.
Okay.
So this is the record number one, and this is the record number two. So if valley cabling
One
is record
second.
number one, so
Okay.
it is your wrong. Everything is wrong. This for this
Yes.
image everything is wrong. So you have to type this one record number one is like that, and then record number two is like that. So now
Hmm.
it is everything is wrong. So I like that same thing happens in previous work. So
So how to identify when this is one is continuation if
see,
all the fields are
no,
there?
no. See, it is in Electra. It is coming as goods color. So continuation should becomes dealer name. Dealer name should be there in the continuation part.
Okay.
Dealer name should be there. Then only it is continuation part. But in the next part, it is not coming a dealer name or dealer number or glass or a goods category. It is coming directly at the rate, tax rate and passcode. So it is missing
Right.
so many things. So in that case, it is not the continuation part. So it means it is a separate thing, and that means a separate thing. Separate record, that is also the separate record. Understand?
Okay. So there is no fixed number of fields. What can be? I mean, not there.
Sorry.
I mean, in next page.
Yeah.
I mean, next image. Next image beginning. Whatever. I mean, even if a single field is missing there, then also we will consider it as a not continuation, right?
No, no.
I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
in
Even
next
even
page.
if there is a single thing, also you have to consider as a separate record. Don't
Right.
merge this one or
I
don't
mean,
leave this
say
one.
for example, in this case, we are expecting dealer name, but say for example, in the next image beginning, we are getting from this field. I mean, from dealer number. Only the dealer name is missing. So then also we should consider that one as a new record
No,
or
no, it is the
the
yeah,
continuation.
it is considered the separate record, new record, because dealer if there is missing something means this is not the continuation part. So this is separate. That one is also separate. So but suppose
Okay.
blue color is goods color name and dealer name is coming. It means it is the same entry. That is the continuation part. But if it is the goods color and this one dealer name is missing, now coming is dealer number. So even if that one is not the same part, if one thing missing means both are the separate records.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
So
Understood.
in that case, I think you have done all the mistakes. So no problem. This is the test
Yeah.
work.
This
That's
is
why
okay.
we have
Yeah.
done, and that's why I have given the agent number 7. That is the only tricky part.
Okay. Okay.
So okay. So can you
And
do also oh, I think Excel coding work you can do. I think later or I can give to you now.
you can share as per your time. No problem. I can set
I
up.
think you understand whatever I have done.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. I will
and
able
also
to understand.
they have the video recording that I can also share to you. So I think everything is okay. I will share the that coding notepad,
That code
yeah,
part, okay.
notepad, and
Email.
that this recording also I will send to you. And do you have any
Okay.
question?
And one thing that in the past test that I have given, you said I have completed. I mean, I could score 75% correctly. So it will be very helpful if you could at least identify few of the errors that I have
Actually,
done.
QC report we are not QC report we are not creating. QC report will be done by the main parent company from the USA.
Okay.
They will create the QC report. So we don't know.
Actually, in this delivery time or these kinds of field, na, here we can write zero at first, no problem. But in the test, we have done it in Excel. But in Excel,
No, no,
left hand
Excel.
side zero
Yeah,
automatically
Excel,
gets
Excel,
discarded.
Excel is some only for the consideration of final candidate. Don't merge Excel and this one. This is the separate thing. Whatever written it is there. Suppose goods category is trousers and trouser name is in capital small t, so you have to write a small t. Even if email ID is small, then you have to write a small. Even if it is capital, then you have to write capital. Everything
Yes,
whatever
yes,
written we have to write. uh, don't
yes.
consider Excel. Excel sheet is Excel sheet having their own format, so we cannot consider
Okay.
Excel sheet something like that. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So doing it here will decrease our error chance.
Sorry.
I mean, whenever we're using the software, as it is allowing us to write exactly whatever is there, unlike Excel, so that's why we can correctly do more
Yeah, yeah. I
entries.
think this is the very much good one. Image to Excel is
Mm.
taking so much time, also so much time taking also, and there's so many errors also happen. Here it means there is less chance of error. And now total cost inverse you have know the trick. In that case, you can do this fill easily, so it will save your time.
Okay. And one last thing that when every day, when do I need to send that
Yeah,
Excel?
yeah, every day.
I
Then only
mean,
we can count the record that you have done.
uh,
You have done the
is
first
it
day.
any specific time
No,
or
it's means every 7:30 night. Suppose
7:39?
yeah,
Okay.
that will not the problem. Every suppose you have submitted to today 7:30, then today whole night, then tomorrow whole day, then evening 7:30 you have to submit the Excel sheet, whatever work you have done. Yeah. So
Okay.
you can just type this. Suppose today is 5th December. 5th December. 5th December. You just copy. Just first you have to type here Excel sheet 5th December, and then Control C and Control V. Whatever today you have done. Then in the bracket you can also type image number 4508, 4509, 4510, and record. You have to complete record 17. 4501 image completed 17 record. 4510 18. 45111 13. As like that you have just total I have done 81 85 and 195 125 like that we just we can do and then submit, no problem. Just we can gather all percent data and just we can check it is going correctly or not. Otherwise it is very much big headache in the last moment.
Okay. So just beside this data, I am going to write how which sheet and how many entries I
Yeah,
have.
yeah, just control. Suppose you have to
Yes.
suppose this is a
Yes.
today's one, so you can just in
Mm.
in in bracket in here you can just make a one separate box and write that record number 4509,
Oh,
and
okay.
then hyphen 17 records, and then yeah, not file number, just type image number
Image.
CG or image number image number 509, and then hyphen 17
Then
17
17 say
records. 17 records also you can say now. 17, okay, that is okay, records.
20 records.
then
Okay.
then
Like
image number 4510 7
yes.
16. Then image
Okay.
number 445112 yes 18, like that. Then
Okay.
after that 17 18 like that. Then you can just add as just sum also auto sum is there in a formula. You can just
Yes.
copy,
Yes.
and you can also calculate by the calculator also. Here also you can do
Yes.
from.
I will do it.
Yeah, just add whatever you have done, and then total today I have done. So this Excel sheet you have to create as like today's date like
Okay.
5th December, 5th
Okay.
December Excel sheet submission, and like that you can create this Excel sheet, rename.
Name of the Excel
Yeah, you
sheet.
just
Okay. Okay.
rename this one 5th December Excel sheet submission, just only rename, no problem.
Okay.
So in that case, we have recorded this is the 5th December. 5th December, exercise submission bracket me your name Trideep Mukherjee or Trideep. So 5th
Okay.
December
Okay.
exercise Trideep. So we have just okay. 5th December Trideep is 115 or 125 135 done today. So Uma something
Okay.
done. Padmaja so that we have to record all the persons.
Okay.
Okay, then I think so many things have done. So I will just send you the
Yes.
notepad to your email ID, and
Okay.
you can
Okay.
just try this one.